A 21-kilometer long tunnel is being constructed between Mumbai Bullet Train Station and Thane for the Mumbai-Amdavad Bullet Train Project. Of this, 16 kilometers will be excavated using tunnel boring machines, including a 7-kilometer undersea section beneath Thane Creek. The first TBM commenced excavation on 5th July 2026 from Vikhroli towards Mumbai. Now, the second TBM after the assembly at 39 meters deep Sawli shaft commenced excavation towards Vikhroli today. This marks a major step forward in the construction of India's first undersea rail tunnel for the Mumbai-Amdavad Bullet Train Project.